Welcome to a journey through the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. This ancient scripture, revered by millions, offers profound insights into life, duty, and the path to inner peace. Whether you are new to the Gita or revisiting its teaching, this guide will help you understand its core messages and practical application. The Gita is not just a religious text, it is a manual for living a meaningful and purposeful life. Let's begin by exploring its origin and why it continues to inspire. Bhagavad Gita is set on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, a pivotal moment in the Indian epic, the Mahabharata. Here, Prince Arjuna faces a moral dilemma, torn between his duty as a warrior and his compassion for his relatives on the opposing side. The Gita captures the profound conversation between Arjuna and Lord Krishna, who serves as his charioteer and spiritual guide. This dialogue forms the heart of the Gita, addressing universal questions about life, purpose, and righteousness. Kurukshetra, the battlefield where the Gita unfolds, symbolizes the inner conflicts we all face. It is more than a physical location. It represents the struggle between right and wrong within our own hearts. As Arjuna stands at the crossroads, unsure of his next move, we are reminded of the moments in our lives when we too must make difficult choices. The Gita's teachings guide us through these challenges, offering clarity and strength. Arjuna's hesitation to fight against his own family and friends is a powerful metaphor for the moral and ethical dilemmas we all encounter. He is overwhelmed by doubt and sorrow, questioning the very purpose of his action. This moment of vulnerability makes Arjuna relatable, as we too grapple with uncertainty and fear. The Gita begins with this honest admission of confusion, setting the stage for Krishna's transformative guidance. Lord Krishna, serving as Arjuna's charioteer, steps in as a compassionate teacher and guide. He listens patiently to Arjuna's concerns before offering his wisdom. Krishna's role is not just to instruct, but to empower Arjuna to see beyond his immediate fears. Through their dialogue, Krishna reveals profound truths about the nature of life, duty, and the soul. His teachings form the philosophical backbone of the Gita. One of the central themes of the Bhagavad Gita is the concept of duty or dharma. Krishna teaches Arjuna that everyone has a unique role to play in life, and fulfilling one's duty with sincerity is the path to true fulfillment. This idea encourages us to act with integrity, regardless of the outcome. By focusing on our responsibilities rather than the results, we cultivate inner peace and resilience. Krishna introduces the idea of karma yoga or selfless action. He explains that acting without attachment to the fruits of our labor leads to liberation from suffering. This teaching encourages us to give our best effort while letting go of anxiety about success or failure. By practicing selfless action, we contribute positively to the world and grow spiritually. Key teaching of the Gita is the immortality of the soul or Atman. Krishna reassures Arjuna that the soul is eternal, never born and never dying. This perspective helps us face life's challenges with courage, knowing that our true self is beyond harm. Understanding the nature of the soul brings comfort and inspires us to live with greater purpose and compassion. Gita describes several paths to spiritual liberation, including the paths of knowledge, Jnana Yoga, devotion, Bhakti Yoga, and disciplined action, Karma Yoga. Each path is suited to different personalities and inclinations, but all lead to the same ultimate goal, union with the divine. This inclusive approach makes the Gita accessible to people from all walks of life. Bhakti Yoga, or the path of devotion, is highlighted as a powerful means of attaining spiritual realization. Krishna emphasizes the importance of loving surrender to the divine, assuring Arjuna that sincere devotion transcends all obstacles. Through love and faith, we connect with a higher power and experience inner joy. The Gita's message of devotion resonates with people seeking a deeper spiritual connection. Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge, encourages seekers to inquire into the nature of reality and the self. Krishna teaches that true wisdom comes from understanding the difference between the eternal soul and the temporary body. This path appeals to those who value contemplation and self-inquiry, guiding them toward enlightenment through knowledge. Gita emphasizes the importance of discipline, or sadhana, in spiritual growth. Regular practice, whether through meditation, prayer, or selfless service, helps us cultivate inner strength and clarity. Krishna encourages Arjuna to remain steadfast, reminding him that progress comes through consistent effort. This message inspires us to develop healthy habits and stay committed to our goal. Doubt is a natural part of the spiritual journey, and the Gita addresses this with compassion. Krishna reassures Arjuna that questioning and uncertainty are not signs of weakness, but opportunities for growth. By seeking guidance and reflecting on our experiences, we can overcome doubt and move forward with confidence. The Gita teaches us to trust the process and remain open to learning. Faith, or Shraddha, is highlighted as a vital quality on the spiritual path. Krishna explains that faith shapes our actions and determines our progress. Whether our faith is strong or wavering, it influences the choices we make and the results we experience. The Gita encourages us to nurture faith through study, reflection, and association with wise individuals. Krishna teaches the value of detachment, or vairagya. By letting go of attachment to outcomes, we free ourselves from anxiety and disappointment. Detachment does not mean indifference, but rather acting with love and commitment, while accepting whatever results may come. This balanced approach leads to inner freedom and peace. Gita describes three fundamental qualities or gunas that influence our behavior: sattva goodness, rajas passion, and tama ignorance. Krishna explains how these qualities shape our thoughts, actions, and destiny. By cultivating sattva, we move closer to clarity and harmony. Understanding the gunas helps us make conscious choices and grow spiritually. Meditation is presented as a powerful tool for self-mastery in the Gita. Krishna encourages Arjuna to control his mind and senses through regular practice. Mindfulness helps us stay present, reduce stress, and connect with our inner self. The Gita's teachings on meditation are practical and accessible, offering guidance for anyone seeking peace and clarity. The relationship between Arjuna and Krishna highlights the importance of a spiritual teacher or guru. A true teacher guides us with wisdom, compassion, and patience, helping us navigate life's challenges. The Gita reminds us to seek guidance from those who have walked the path before us and to remain humble and open to learning. One of the most awe-inspiring moments in the Gita is Krishna revealing his universal form to Arjuna. This vision demonstrates the vastness and majesty of the divine, inspiring humility and devotion. It reminds us that the divine presence is all-encompassing, beyond our limited understanding. This revelation deepens Arjuna's faith and commitment to his path. Krishna discusses the subtle difference between action and inaction. He explains that true inaction is not about avoiding responsibility, but about acting without selfish motives. By understanding this distinction, we learn to act wisely and avoid the pitfalls of laziness or escapism. The Gita encourages us to engage fully in life while remaining unattached to the result. Throughout the Gita, Krishna emphasizes the importance of free will. Arjuna is encouraged to make his own choices, guided by wisdom and discernment. This message empowers us to take responsibility for our lives and decisions. By choosing wisely, we shape our destiny and contribute to the well-being of others. Gita teaches that true strength lies in compassion and non-violence or ahimsa. Krishna encourages Arjuna to act with kindness, even in challenging situations. This principle extends beyond physical actions to our thoughts and words. By practicing compassion, we create harmony within ourselves and in our relationships with others. Krishna explains that the intention behind our action is as important as the actions themselves. Pure intentions lead to positive outcomes, while selfish motives cause suffering. The Gita encourages us to examine our motives and act with sincerity and integrity. This focus on intention helps us align our actions with our value. Fear and uncertainty are universal experiences, and the Gita offers practical tools for overcoming them. Krishna advises Arjuna to cultivate courage and trust in the divine plan. By focusing on our duties and maintaining faith, we can navigate life's challenges with resilience. The Gita's teachings inspire us to face our fear and move forward with confidence. Humility is celebrated as a key virtue in the Gita. Krishna reminds Arjuna that true wisdom comes from recognizing our limitations and remaining open to learning. Humility allows us to grow, connect with others, and serve selflessly. By embracing humility, we create space for grace and transformation in our lives. Surrender or prapatti is a recurring theme in the Gita. Krishna encourages Arjuna to surrender his ego and trust in the divine will. Surrender does not mean giving up, but rather letting go of control and allowing life to unfold. This attitude brings peace and freedom from anxiety, enabling us to act with clarity and confidence. Gita teaches the importance of living in the present moment. Krishna advises Arjuna to focus on the task at hand, rather than worrying about the past or future. By staying present, we make better decisions and experience greater peace. This lesson is especially relevant in today's fast-paced world, where distractions are everywhere. Krishna explains the cycle of birth and death, or samsara, in the Gita. He teaches that the soul passes through many lifetimes, learning and evolving with each experience. Understanding this cycle helps us accept change and loss with greater equanimity. The Gita's perspective on life and death brings comfort and encourages us to live fully. Service to others or seva is highlighted as a path to spiritual growth. Krishna encourages Arjuna to act for the welfare of all beings, rather than for personal gain. By serving others selflessly, we develop compassion and humility and contribute to the greater good. The Gita's message of service inspires us to make a positive difference in the world. Discipline is essential for success in any endeavor, and the Gita emphasizes its importance on the spiritual path. Krishna advises Arjuna to cultivate self-control and perseverance. Discipline helps us overcome obstacles and stay focused on our goals. By developing discipline, we build the foundation for lasting growth and fulfillment. Prayer is presented as a means of connecting with the divine and seeking guidance. Krishna assures Arjuna that sincere prayers are always heard and answered. Prayer helps us express gratitude, seek support, and find comfort in difficult times. The Gita encourages us to make prayer a regular part of our life. Contentment or santosha is celebrated as a key to happiness in the Gita. Krishna teaches that true happiness comes from within, not from external achievements. By cultivating contentment, we free ourselves from endless desires and appreciate the present moment. this lesson encourages us to find joy in simplicity and gratitude. Renunciation, or sannyasa, is discussed as a means of attaining spiritual freedom. Krishna explains that true renunciation is not about abandoning responsibility, but about letting go of attachment to results. By acting selflessly and without desire for reward, we achieve inner peace and liberation. Integrity is emphasized as a foundation for spiritual and personal growth. Krishna encourages Arjuna to act honestly and align his actions with his value. Integrity builds trust, strengthens relationships, and brings lasting fulfillment. The Gita's message of integrity inspires us to live authentically and honor our commitment. Perseverance is celebrated as a key to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Krishna advises Arjuna to remain steadfast, even in the face of difficulty. Perseverance helps us stay committed to our goals and grow stronger with each challenge. The Gita's teachings inspire us to keep moving forward, no matter what. Community, or satsang, plays an important role in spiritual growth. Krishna encourages Arjuna to seek the company of wise and supportive individuals. Community provides encouragement, accountability, and inspiration. By surrounding ourselves with positive influences, we accelerate our progress and deepen our understanding. Reflection is essential for integrating the Gita's teachings into our lives. Krishna encourages Arjuna to contemplate his actions and learn from his experiences. Regular reflection helps us gain insight, make better choices, and grow in wisdom. The Gita's message inspires us to set aside time for self-examination and personal growth. Forgiveness is highlighted as a path to healing and freedom. Krishna teaches that holding on to anger and resentment only causes suffering. By forgiving ourselves and others, we release the past and open our hearts to love. The Gita's message of forgiveness encourages us to let go and move forward with compassion. Gratitude is celebrated as a key to happiness and spiritual growth. Krishna encourages Arjuna to appreciate the blessings in his life and express thanks for all he received. Gratitude shifts our focus from lack to abundance, creating a positive mindset. The Gita's teachings inspire us to practice gratitude daily. Love is presented as the highest virtue in the Gita. Krishna teaches that love for the divine and for all beings leads to ultimate fulfillment. By cultivating love, we transcend ego and experience unity with all of creation. The Gita's message of love inspires us to open our hearts and live with compassion. Simplicity is celebrated as a path to peace and clarity. Krishna encourages Arjuna to let go of unnecessary complexity and focus on what truly matters. Simplicity helps us reduce stress, make better decisions, and enjoy life more fully. The Gita's teachings inspire us to embrace simplicity in our thoughts, actions, and relationships. Giving, or dana, is highlighted as a source of joy and fulfillment. Krishna teaches that generosity benefits both the giver and the receiver. By sharing our time, resources, and love, we create abundance and strengthen our connections with others. The Gita's message of giving inspires us to be generous in all aspects of life. Hope is celebrated as a guiding light in the Gita. Krishna encourages Arjuna to remain hopeful, even in the face of adversity. Hope gives us strength to persevere and believe in a brighter future. The Gita's teachings inspire us to nurture hope and inspire others with our optimism. As the Gita draws to a close, Krishna summarizes his teachings and urges Arjuna to act with faith and courage. The ultimate message of the Gita is to live with integrity, serve others, and seek union with the divine. These timeless teachings continue to inspire people around the world, offering guidance for every stage of life. Wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita is as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. Its teachings offer practical guidance for navigating modern challenges, from stress and uncertainty to relationships and personal growth. By applying the Gita's principles in our daily lives, we can cultivate inner peace, resilience, and a deeper sense of purpose. Let the Gita be your guide on the journey to self-discovery and fulfillment.